Hello guys, we are currently on our way to Elba and look out on the beautiful Toscana, and after a smooth ride we arrived with the boat. We rented this lovely apartment just situated next to the sea, and I just love how cozy the rooms are, and this is where I will be living the next 7 days. Elba is famous for its incredible beaches, and we made it our mission to explore as many as possible. And the moment we stepped off the boat, we were really greeted by the warm Mediterranean breeze and the promise of a week filled with sunshine. And I love our terrace. It's just so perfect to hang out here, have a glass of rosé and snacks, chatting and doing our makeup at the same time. It's just the best before leaving for our evening out. Good morning. I just went to the bakery and bought some bread and croissant. The other girls are still sleeping. It was quite a rough night yesterday night when we went out and had a few drinks. It went quite late, so it's actually the middle of the day, but I felt quite tired and hungover in the morning, so I guess we will just take it easy today. I mean, look at this place. It's very much like a French Riviera. It just has this tropical vibe, which I really love. I really enjoy walking around here. It's a bliss for the soul. I must say that I think that these shops do actually have a lot of beautiful designs. I mean, cute kimonos. They look like they are so well made. But before anything today, I need some coffee. 1 cappuccino to get me going.
You and me, boy. 이대로 멈췄으면 좋겠어, 둘이. Don't take your eyes off me, baby. You're the one that I need. 솔직히 말해볼게. 너만을 기다려봤다고. 저 수평선을 건너 우주 끝까지 가볼게. With you. Gosh, it's so hot. We are on our way to a vineyard nearby our place, and it was 15 minutes walk, but it feels like 30 minutes or such a hot afternoon. but looking forward to get some wine.
Good morning, getting up earlier because of the heat. It's around 30 degrees Celsius and I'm so much looking forward for a swim. I think I will try out the piano a bit before we head out though. One of the highlights of the trip was renting scooters and exploring the island. It was my first time riding, so there were definitely some bubbly starts and I was so nervous. The guy at the scooter company almost didn't want to rent the scooters to us because he said that they were totally new and he didn't want it to rent to beginners, but my friend persuaded him.
Perfect to put into the scooter.
After a few tries and a near-death experience, I got the hang of it and felt more comfortable. And I must say that the freedom of riding through the island with the wind in our hair and the sun on our skin, that felt unreal.
You're beautiful neighbor. You're beautiful neighbor. Beautiful night. And I want to stay there with you. Taking 수도 없을 만큼만.
Look at this shashuka just cooked in our Italian kitchen, and this is the result. A North African dish, but then I also learned that it's apparently quite common in Italy as well, but it's called something else. Anyway, oh my god. Anyway, I'm waiting for the other girls to come, but they haven't got up yet.